really into the whole stacking part, just the whole chewing on it part. Chewing on it with your gums. Nathan! What if I put it over here? Oh, no, that's okay. I got it, Mom. I got it, Mom. The whole thing. Alright. Well, I'm going to let you play with that. So, have fun. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah. What did I say about that? What did I say about that?